Imagine having one smart app that brings together movies, series, sports, kids shows, anime, and news, all in one place, with a clean interface and smooth experience. Today I'm going to show you how to explore such an entertainment hub safely and correctly on your device. Before we start, this video is purely for educational purposes. We will focus on proper installation steps, device setting, and safe uses so you can understand how third-party apps work on smart devices. To get this app, we'll use a well-known utility tool available officially on the Play Store and Amazon App Store called Downloader. This tool simply helps you download files in a controlled way on supported devices. Subscribe Electronic Secret, press the bell icon, and like this video if you enjoy smart tech tips. Now install Downloader and complete the initial setup. Open Settings, go to Install Unknown Apps, find Downloader and enable it if it's turned off. Once that's done, open Downloader and enter the provided code in the search bar. It will connect and download the app for you. Select Install, follow the on-screen steps, then go back and delete the downloaded file to save storage. And that's it. Now you can explore the app's features and customize it according to your preferences. If you like videos about smart TV apps, hidden features, and tech tricks, comment below and tell me what you want next. This is Electronic Secret, bringing you simple, safe, and smart tech guides. See you in the next video.